Oh, there goes the light. Y'all the stunter boys. How y'all boys doing? My Instagram's Baked Can't Ride. Hold on, bro. I'm trying to talk to you. Doing a little practice on the closed course today. Don't mind us. Excuse me, woman. Don't go this way. Holy frick me, it's hot. You know, I haven't done a freaking knee knock in a while, low key. Ooh, I feel a little rough on those. Oh yeah, those aren't my best. Gotta get used to doing those again. Yeah, that was freaking bottoming out. Did you get that on video? Yeah, that was sick. Are we doing another video? Sheesh! How y'all boys doing? Y'all got a train coming in? Oh, what the hell? Y'all work on them in there? Y'all work on them in there? Okay, that's cool. What'd you say? Dang, bro, we hear you. Oh, it's a 6-speed. Yeah, 1 down, 5 up. Yeah. Huh? About 120. Yeah, it's not that fast. I just like to play around on it. Yeah. Hey, y'all have a good day, man. Yeah, y'all stay cool, alright? Ah, come on, bro, lock in. Got the raincoat on, so sorry if it's a little loud and flappy, but not trying to get soaked today, bruh. Woo! But yeah, it's literally raining all day yesterday, all day today, and it's gonna rain for the next like 10 days, it says. So I'm desperately trying to get some content in, but you know, what are you gonna do, huh? Oh, with the train? See if we can gap the train, bro. Ah! Jeez, bro. Aw, frick. That train's gonna block me. How long is this thing? Am I filming? Yes. Bro, this has got to be the longest train I've seen in like so long. Oh my frick. Ah! Freaking hit that pothole, bro. Jeez. Yeah, this road is not the best. It's too gravelly. God, I forgot how loud this freaking jacket is, bro. Sounds like a dang helicopter. I hate this weather, motherfucker. It's summer. It's literally like a winter day, bro. Alright, y'all, we going to a little car show tonight. It's freaking rainy as crap. Oh, this is taking me on the highway, bro. Motherfucker, I don't want to go on the highway. See if these little, I put some lights on my wheels. Probably can't even see it. Frick, I wish I had someone third person. But yeah, oh yeah, you can kind of see it. I hope they stay on going this fast, bro. But yeah, we're going to a little car meet over in Jefferson, Loud Culture. Because I need some motherfucking content and the rain is, God, bro, it's freaking windy. The rain is on and off, so I figured I'd just go ahead and go. God, it's freaking windy. Yeah, this jacket was not a good choice. Well, I mean it was because it's wet out, but this thing is a goddamn parachute. Frick me. Oh, there goes the light. No! Frick, bro. Well, that didn't last long. God dang it. Yo, the Stunter boys. What the heck, bro? Where are they going? Bro, they got freaking three stunt bikes, bro. What the crap? That's sick. Where? What the frick? Okay, I should have like followed them or something. I wonder if they're going to the lot down there. Oh, low-key. Trying to go follow them boys. Hold on, bro. I'm trying to talk to you real quick. Yo, where y'all headed, bro?
We headed back home.
Oh, where'd y'all come from? We back?
North Carolina.
Oh, yeah, they had a show out there?
No, we just had an event over here in Jefferson or something like that.
Who was it?
It's Jay Needs Tires.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Are y'all like a team or something, or?
Them two are brothers. They ride together. They invited me out to
Oh, that's sick, bro. Well, y'all got Instagram or something? Shoot, bro, that's cool. I saw y'all, and then freaking no stunters out here, bro. Oh, well, shoot, bro. Here, just type it in. I didn't hear what you said. Dude, that friggin' R7 is nice, bro. Yeah, I'm trying to stunt on this. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, I do. I've trying to been building it up a little bit, but yeah, I got you, bro. Appreciate it. Sweet, bro. Bro's got the fully built R7. That's freaking sick. Dang, bro. Bro's got 5,000 followers. What the crap? Speaking of the freaking devil, bro, I never see stunters out here. That's crazy. Yeah, we got one biker out here, bro. What's going on, guys? Clean out Harley right there.
What are you on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube, Instagram. My Instagram is Baked Can't Ride.
Banks Can't Ride?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. Look at that.
Is that a fucking cop, bro?
Look at that cop over there.
Damn, that thing's wrecked. Holy crap. If it might. Huh? Yeah, bro, you're on YouTube right now. Hopefully my tire's hot enough, bro. I'm gonna just spin out.
Is your YouTube the same as your Instagram?
Yeah, it's linked in there. You can find it.
Yeah, I'm subscribing.
Appreciate it, bro.
Sir.
Y'all take care. Bro's freaking chill as crap. Bro wants to see a wheelie, so I gotta freaking make sure I do a good one. There we go. Pretty good, pretty good. But yeah, it's freaking raining, bro, so I gotta go and ride home in the rain. Frick. I'm so tired of the rain. All week. God dang it. Y'all probably can't even see this cup, so cloudy. But yeah, good little meet, bro. I was surprised there's many bikers out there. There's a good 8 or 10 bikes out. Met a few new people. That one dude I was just talking to was on a Buell. I used to have one of those. I think it was a piece of crap, but I liked his. It was pretty clean. He had a Harley orange and like pretty nice different wheels on there and stuff. Pretty freaking sick, bro. Well, heck yeah, this turned out to be a good little video. But anyways, I'm gonna just be chilling on my way back home, trying to stay dry. So appreciate all y'all watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.